Do you have low back pain when you deadlift? Well, I'm going to show you one thing that you may have been overlooking to fix your issue. I'm Vincent from Upright Health, where we help you move beyond your limitations so that you can live with confidence. When I first began deadlifting, my progress was constantly hindered by injuries, and it took me years to be able to deadlift 3 times my own body weight, pain-free. And now I want to share with you everything that I've learned along the way. This is part 1 of a series of videos to help you fix your low back pain in the deadlift, so be sure to check out the other ones too. So before we get started, let's make sure that this video series is for you. We can test this by having you get into a cobra position. If this position makes you feel uncomfortable or it's painful, then this is for you. If this actually makes you feel better, then this is not for you. So this exercise is the 90-90 hip lift. You're gonna need a bench or elevated surface, and you're gonna need a foam block or rolled up towel. Lay on your back with your heels on the bench, forming about a 90-degree angle between your hips and your knees. Next, take that foam block, put it between your thighs. Gently squeeze it, gently drive your heels into the bench to lift your tailbone off the floor. Notice how my lower back stays flat on the floor. I'm not trying to lift my entire spine off the floor. I'm just trying to tilt my pelvis back like so. Next, take a deep breath in, filling your lower ab region. And then exhale, deflating that region. If you're doing this correctly, you should feel some hamstring tension from driving your heels into the bench and some adductor tension from squeezing the foam block. The challenge here is to not lose this position of flat lower back and lifted tailbone as you breathe. The goal here is to train your body to be able to breathe and relax in this exact position. And that is the what and the how of this exercise. Do this exercise for 3 sets of 10 to 20 breaths every single day, in addition to before and after every time you deadlift. So let's go into the why of this exercise. Earlier you confirmed that being in a more extended posture is painful and or uncomfortable for you. So when you're deadlifting, you're probably doing the same thing where you're standing up and your pelvis is tilted forward like this, right? Imagine my pelvis is a cup of water and I'm spilling the water forward. You see how that creates a ton of stress on my lower back compared to if I was standing in neutral like this. So to normalize your position, you need to get your pelvis to learn how to tip backwards some more, right? You're stuck in this where you're anteriorly tilted, you're spilling the water forward. So now you need to learn how to spill the water backwards. And this exercise where we used your adductors, your hamstrings to help tilt the pelvis back as you breathe, that's why this exercise will help you with your low back pain in the deadlift. All right, that's the video, guys. Be sure to check out the other ones in this series, and I want to let you know that we just released an entire online course on how to learn injury-free deadlift technique. So if you like this video, click like, please subscribe, check the description box for helpful links, and as always, remember that pain sucks. Life shouldn't.